Welcome to Confianza Legal's podcast. We're a criminal defense law firm, and we're here to give you pointers and advise you of your rights as to any criminal defense. My name is Mayda Flores Medrano, and I'm one of the founding attorneys at the firm.
My name is Edvin, and I'm the other part of the founding attorneys of this firm.
And today we will be discussing knowing your rights when encountered by the police. So, Edvin, what are your rights in California?
Well, in California, we all have the right to refuse to answer any questions when approached by a police officer or any law enforcement agent. They generally have to have reasonable suspicion to pull you over. Once they pull you over, you can refuse to answer any questions politely, obviously. And you can also record any encounter with them so long as it does not interfere with them discharging their duties.
Correct. Let's not forget also that you have a right to refuse to be searched, whether it be your person, your property, your car, or your home.
That is true. Now, let me ask you, Mayda, are there any exceptions to those rights?
Yes, there are exceptions to this. Specifically, when we're talking about when the police have a reasonable suspicion that a crime has been committed and that you have been involved. At that moment in time, they don't need a court order, nor do they need your permission in order to search. The other exception is when they are searching for security purposes to make sure that you are not armed during the encounter. At that moment in time, also, they do not need a court order, nor do they need your permission in order to do that safety check.
And let's always remember that in order for a law enforcement agency to search you, and if they don't have any reasonable suspicion, they have to have a warrant or you have to give consent.
Now, when should you talk to an attorney with regards to this?
Well, somebody should talk to an attorney anytime they've had any encounter with law enforcement agency where they feel they haven't been treated properly or they feel they've been treated unfairly. A lot of times, law enforcement agents will cross that boundary, perhaps for lack of training or for whatever reason it is, and then that's when your rights have been violated. So anytime you feel that your rights have been violated, I strongly urge you to speak to an attorney to make sure whether those rights were or were not violated. Another time that you should be speaking to an attorney is if you ever get accused of a crime, if you're ever getting accused of doing something violating any laws that can potentially take away your liberty. That's always a good reason to speak to an attorney as well.
Now, you must take into account that time is of the essence. The sooner that you get advice from an attorney, the better it is, because information can be destroyed, witnesses can move, and so you lose that opportunity to defend yourself in case that's necessary.
So in conclusion, it is always a good idea to speak to an attorney to make sure that your rights have not been violated. Regardless of your status here in California or in the United States, whether you are a United States citizen, whether you're an immigrant, we all have those rights, even if you're here undocumented. So it is very important that if you feel that your rights have been violated, if you've had negative law enforcement contact your attorney. We all have rights, and we need to make sure that those rights are protected.
Caveat, though, when you're out on the field, it's not the time to fight the officer. So if you believe your rights have been violated, make note of them and consult an attorney, but don't oppose them because you're not in a position to fight at that moment. Give us the weapon that we need to be able to fight for you.
Are you looking for experienced criminal defense attorneys? Look no further. We are a firm founded by brother and sister with over 30 years of expertise in handling criminal defense cases and DUI cases. Whether you're seeking our representation or you just want to feel like you're talking to a family member, we can help.
At our firm, we believe that everyone deserves to be treated with respect. That's why we offer direct communication with your lawyer and make sure to keep you informed of every aspect of your case. We understand that these situations can be difficult and sensitive, so we strive to provide compassionate service while also remaining aggressive in court when necessary. We are never afraid to go to trial if needed and will always provide an honest evaluation of your case as well as guide you on the best course of action for your particular situation. Plus, we have processes in place to ensure that all of your needs are responded to quickly. After all, time is a factor when it comes to legal issues.
For those who only speak Spanish, don't worry, our attorneys all speak fluent Spanish, so you will be able to communicate directly with them without any language barriers. No matter what kind of legal situation you are facing, rest assured knowing that our team has the knowledge and experience necessary to handle even the most complex cases.
At our firm, we prioritize customer service above all else because when it comes down to it, we consider ourselves part of a bigger family. If you're looking for experienced criminal defense attorneys who genuinely care about their clients and their cases, then look no further than us. With over 30 years of experience in this business, rest assured knowing that you'll be taken care of by true professionals. Get in touch today for more information about how we can help you out.
Call today 855-855-2171. 855-855-2171.
Confianza Legal.
855-855-2171.